Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Hollow Knight crashing on Steam. So let's start. For the first step, make sure to open the Steam launcher. Now once you're on here, go top left corner to the Steam logo, click on it. After that, select check for Steam client updates. It will start verifying the latest updates for client. So you need to select download right here. After that, select apply and restart Steam. It will be shutting down and restarting the client once again. Just wait for it for the update. Now when it opens, click close. After that, go to the library and select collections. Go on the right and select the gear icon, which is manage. After that, select properties. Now go to the launch options and type in -dx11. The second step, go to installed files and make sure to verify integrity of game files. Steam will be verifying the corrupted or missing files and will recover them safely. You just need to wait for the process to finish. Now for the next step, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA app. This will open, go to the left, select drivers. Make sure to install the latest driver you find right here. So select install, to that select continue and initiate the installation process. Once you finish all of that, in the Windows tab, go to the upside arrow. After that, go to the Steam icon, right click. After that, select exit Steam. Now try launching Steam once again. After that, go to the Windows search bar, type in Steam and make sure to run it as an administrator. After that, you can safely run your game without any crashing issues. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.